Welcome. We are at day 9 of the 21-day womb cleanse. 9 days have passed. How wonderful. 9 is the number of completion, and yet we are far from complete. Today we are going to cleanse our womb of all memories that are associated with painful birthing. Now, birthing may have happened in your life or may not have happened. Your own birth may have been painful. So today let us explore this very key area of our life and notice how we can transmute these energies of pain into that of love. So once again, I invite you to find a comfortable position, relax, and also to pay attention to your altar, clean your womb bowl, add some new elements that bring you the energy of birth. So find that comfortable position, see that your spine is erect, your feet grounded, and take a few deep breaths. And this time we will do the humming breath to relax the body and fill it with some loving vibrations. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Gently step into that holy, sacred, still space. And as you find that space, notice the door to that womb temple. And gently step in once again, coming back to the holiest of holy spaces within your own body. And as you find the space right in the center of your womb temple, bring yourself to the memory of the birth of your own self. Notice your mother birthing you. Sometimes the baby is welcomed with harsh lights and maybe a spanking, and maybe separated from the mother. All these create anxieties and fears. Pay attention if it was a normal vaginal birth and if there was prolonged labor, or was it a cesarean section where again there is a lot of trauma that is induced with the anesthesia and with all the cutting and the big group of doctors and nurses working against time to get the baby out. Whatever was your story, I want you to bring your attention to that little baby that is being birthed, which is you. And this time to be present there as a loving mother to welcome this little child, far away from the harsh lights, taking away all the painful energies, the fearful energies, and wrapping this baby with love. Anointing this baby with holy oil, with the words, Each Asher Each. welcoming this baby to live a lifetime following the will of Father, Mother, God. Blessing the midwife, blessing the doctors, the nurses, the space that was an ally in the birth. Fill the room with beautiful music. Light some candles. Let the diffuser burn with the essential oils, setting a tone of fragrance to welcome the baby. May the 7 grandmothers of the lineage gather together and sing a lullaby to this baby, welcoming this baby, easing away all the painful memories gently. And now gently shift your focus. If you are a mother who has birthed babies, and if you have just delivered your baby, notice the grandmothers of your lineage come and tell you that they will handle it all, and you just need to rest and feed your baby. You need to eat well, you need to relax, get a soothing and relaxing massage. They will feed you herbs from the land to replenish all the nutrients that have been depleted over the period of pregnancy. They will feed you traditional foods that bring you deep nourishment from within. The whole community is here to help you, the new mother, to care for your baby. How wonderful does this feel? A rested and relaxed mother. A rested and relaxed baby. If you have undergone a cesarean section, then place your hands on your scar, gently sending healing, soothing energies to heal that wound from deep within. Take a few deep breaths to ground this experience. Thank you, womb, for being a space for transmuting painful memories into those that feel good, that are healing to your body. And now you can say the womb affirmation. My womb is celestial, and so is my life. My womb is celestial, and so is my life. My womb is celestial, and so is my life. And very gently, thank your womb for this beautiful experience. Thank the generations of grandmothers, your spirit guides, ascended masters, for standing by as you healed the birthing process. Gently, when you feel ready, you can step out of your womb space, shut the door to your womb temple, and come back to present time. Remember, you are a brave soul walking on this womb journey to heal deep wounds of the lineage. And yet, this is also a time for celebration, for we are all walking each other home to our fullness. Do not forget to journal your experience. And today is a good day to go and hug the children that you have birthed, to let them know that you have completed the process within you and turned all painful and fearful memories into those of love and light. Thank you and have a great day.